Hi friends, today I explain you exercise 3.2 question number 6. So first of all read this question. Give the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pairs of form is in first question intersecting lines, second parallel lines, and third coincident lines. So total three internal questions are given here, and also one equation is given. We need to write the second equation. We need to write a second equation like that, so that we get answer as an intersecting line. Okay, if we represent this equation and one another equation that we need to find, if we represent this two equation in graph, so answer of graph needs to have intersecting lines. So we need to find such that type of equations, right? In second equation we need to find equation of parallel lines, and third one is we need to give the equation of line, so answer becomes coincident lines. Okay, so first of all we start with our first question. It is intersecting lines. Okay, now one equation is given. It is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. First of all we need to think about that. What is the condition of intersecting lines? We write this condition in our theory part, right? What is the condition of intersecting lines? A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, right? This is the condition of intersecting lines. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So you can write any equation as an answer, right, which satisfy this condition. Maybe your answer is different than me. Okay, lots of answer is possible, but we need to give one answer. Okay, so what I do right now, A1 means a coefficient of x, right? So I multiply this coefficient with 2. Okay, so 2 to the 4x. Now I can multiply any number with this 3y other than 2. Okay, if I multiply 3y with 2, then I get same ratio. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2. Right? If we multiply same number with A1 and B1, then we get same ratio. But here we want different ratio. So we need to take different number. Okay, we can write 1 even. Okay, we can also write 1. Okay, we can not, but one thing, we cannot write 0 here, because if we multiply with 0 it becomes 0, and in question it is already given that we need to give linear equation in two variables. If we write 0, then it becomes equation of only one variable. Okay, so we cannot take 0 and we cannot take 2, otherwise we can take any of integer number. Okay, not integer, but whatever numbers you need you want, you need to take, you can take. Okay, so here I am going with 3. Okay, simple number. So 3 3s are 9y. Now it's a time for our constant term. Now there is no condition for constant term in intersecting lines, so I can write anything as a constant term. I can write minus 8 even. Okay, I can write anything. So right now I just select number 7. I think most of people says that lucky number 7, right? So I am going with 7. So this is my answer, right? One equation is given. Second equation I write here 4x plus 9y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now you can check it. A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2, it is it have different ratio. Okay, you can check it, because I already write equation in such a way that our A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. Okay, right now my answer is different than this PDF. Okay, So already I tell you lots of answer are possible. So we can write, we need to write any of one answer. So this is my answer. Okay, now it's a time for second line, that means parallel lines. Okay, so for parallel lines, first of all, equation is already written here. 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now, what is the condition of parallel lines? A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, but it is not equals to C1 upon C2. Okay, so A1 means coefficient of x, right? Here 2. So here I multiply with 2. We can multiply with any number. Okay, it does not necessary that always we need to multiply with 2. We can multiply with 3. Okay, so just take 3 here. You can take any number. Okay, so my first thing is 3 to the 6x. Okay, right now I want a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. So with same number I need to multiply 3y. So I multiply 2x with 3. So also I need to multiply 3y with 3 so that I will get the same ratio. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2. So here 3 3s are 9y, plus sign is there, so I need to write the same sign even. So plus 9y. Okay. After that I do not want B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. Okay, I do not want B1 upon B2 is not equals to, sorry, I do not want B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. So what I need to do? So I need to multiply minus 8 with any number other than 0 and 3. I cannot multiply with 3. Okay, if I multiply with 3, then I get same ratio. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. So I need to change my number. So right now I change my number and I multiply minus 8 with 2. So minus 8 into 2 minus 16 is equals to 0. Okay. So what I do? So whenever I want same ratio, then I multiply with same number. And whenever I do not want same ratio, then I change my number. Okay. So here I want a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. So both I multiply with 3. But I do not want c1 upon c2 is equals to b1 upon b2. So I take different number here. Okay. Here 3 to the 6x, 3 3 the 9y, and that multiplication is my answer. 8 to the 16. So my answer is 6x plus 9y minus 16 is equals to 0. You can write any answer which satisfy this condition. Right now my answer even different than this PDF. Right? Your answer maybe it's a different than me, but you need to write right answer. Okay. Then third thing, it is for coincident line. Right? Again, equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. What is the condition of coincident lines? What is the condition of coincident lines? A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. Here I want all the three ratios are same. Okay. Here I want all three ratios are same. So what I need to do? So I need to multiply with same number. That means if I multiply 2x with 2, then I need to multiply 3y into 2 and I need to multiply minus 8 with 2. Okay. That means I need to multiply with same number. If I multiply with same number, then I get same ratio. Okay. If I multiply with same number, then I will get same ratio. Here I select 2, right? You can select any number. Means 8, 15, whatever you want. But I just take a simple number. Okay. one more thing, you cannot multiply with 1 here, because if you multiply with 1, then you get same equation. Okay, but we want different equation, so we cannot multiply this equation with 0, and we cannot multiply this equation with 1. Okay, so right now my answer, 2x into 2 4x, 3y into 2 6y, minus 8 into 2 minus 16 is equals to 0. This is my answer. Again, I am telling you, maybe your answer is different than me, because lots of answers are possible here. Okay.